barrels per day.
190 to 166.
There's Apple's under pressure.
You buy stocks on Tuesday and sell them on Friday.
Market is as volatile as you'll ever see.
Traders saying this is the craziest day they have ever seen in these markets. Veteran traders saying they've never seen anything like it. The movement in oil.
Hello guys and welcome to Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode where today we're going to be analysing the S&P 500 futures chart. Now just before I start today's video, anyone who's interested in joining my Signal service, please do not hesitate to visit my website dailymarketmovements.com. I charge a very small joining fee of $29.99. But let's look at the S&P 500. What did we do during yesterday's session? Well, we actually ended the day down ever so slightly. This is something that I had been forecasting over the past couple of trading sessions, and I made that clear during yesterday. Fuck's sake. So what did we do during yesterday's trading session? Well, we've actually ended down ever so slightly. This is something that I made clear during yesterday's video, that I am anticipating a mega rollover here for the S&P 500. In fact, I am anticipating a move back to the lows down near 3,500. So to actually go down and create a fresh low, this is my target here. And what I'm going to go and do guys, is go and create a nice green box. This is my target box. This is where I'm going to be aiming for the S&P 500 to go to over the next couple of months. I'm going to go ahead and save that chart. And of course, today we have some big tech earnings coming out. We have Alphabet, so Google, who are going to be bringing out their earnings. And we also have Microsoft. And both of these companies are problematic due to the fact Snapchat had a terrible report last week. We had Snapchat basically come out and said that their user growth had increased significantly, meaning that they had more users sign up with the social media platform, which is good news. But that being said, the revenue had halted, and that is not good news at all. That means that there's a problem in the marketing space. And of course, Google makes the majority of their money through advertising. So if that is to be true, and companies are just fearful of spending the same amount of money that they were doing this time last year, or even this time last quarter, because they think tough times are ahead, then that could be problematic for Google. But with Google, the stock is very cheap at this moment in time. It's very well valued. So even if there was a bad number, I don't think you'd get a huge shock towards the downside. But that one's definitely to be cautious about. And then on the other hand, we have Microsoft. Microsoft is still considered to be very expensive. It's very high valued, and of course the euro to the US dollar. We've seen the euro come down significantly compared to the US dollar. $1 US at this moment in time is €1, which is crazy. Normally it's €1.30. So that's going to cause huge headwinds for Microsoft, because the majority of their business takes place in Europe. So these are some, mega headwinds for the S&P 500, for the Nasdaq 100, and for the Dow Jones 30 going forward. And then, of course, the fun doesn't stop there. On Wednesday, we hear from Meta, which, for the same reasons as, Snapchat and Google, I think that they're going to have a very bad quarter as well. And then on Thursday, just to top it off, we have the largest company in the world, which is Apple. So lots of potential volatile news events coming out over the next couple of days. But ultimately, I think the S&P 500 goes down. That's what I'm going to be looking for over the next couple of trading sessions as we go into the end of this week. Don't forget, guys, on Wednesday, we also have the Fed rate hike. Are they going to hike 0.75 basis point or the full point? Time will tell. But I definitely would be selling the market here. I think it offers a fantastic risk-reward ratio. We just need to take out the 50-day EMA, the 0.23 fib area, and then that's what sends us on our way back down towards the lows.
500 million barrels per day.
190 to 166.
There's Apple's under pressure.
You buy stocks on Tuesday and sell them on Friday.
Market is as volatile as you'll ever see.
Traders saying this is the craziest day they have ever seen in these markets. Veteran traders saying they've never seen anything like it. The movement in oil.